violin right here was made in the middle 1700s in Paris. It has a grafted scroll, beautiful carved scroll. Has many repairs, very unique style F-holes, kind of Briskin style. And it is a great sounding violin. Has a very warm, woody sound. I'll give you an example.